Hello.
Oh, who's this?
Hi, sir. This is Sam here. I'm calling you from your TV services. How are you doing today?
Hey, Sam. Good to hear from you. I'm fine.
So actually, sir, my call is that we have made some changes in our main system. So that's why our customers are losing their channels and having the issue of weak signal. So, ma'am, so by any chance, are you watching the TV right now?
Absolutely. I have it on.
Okay. So, okay. So please do me a little favor. Grab the receiver remote control in your hand, sir.
I have it.
Okay. So did you see any company name or logo at the bottom of your receiver remote control?
Yeah, it's Vizio.
Vizio. Okay. And how many TV and receiver box do you have, sir?
Just two TVs, and they're both Vizios.
Okay. Okay. And sir, you are the account holder. You pay your monthly bill, sir.
Absolutely.
Okay. Sir, can you confirm me how much you pay your last monthly bill, sir?
Oh. Are you talking like, what bill are we talking about? Cable? DirecTV? What are
Yes,
we
sir, I'm
talking
calling.
about? Which bill?
Yes, sir, I'm calling you from your cable company, sir.
Okay, which cable company? Because I have a dish and I have cable both.
Sir, I'm calling you from Direct and Vizio Cable.
Vizio cable. All right, my Vizio cable is $110 a month, and my Dish Network is $132.
Okay. So can you confirm me you have Vizio Cable, and can you confirm me which company cable do you have, sir?
Confirm you what? What was that again?
I can see here you are our customer. You are Vizio customer. Am I right?
Yeah, I've been a Vizio customer for about, let's see, when did I buy the TV?
Okay.
I bought them, I think, 5 years ago.
Okay, sir. So, sir, can you confirm me just account verification? Are you there?
Okay.
Sir, just account verification. Can you confirm me what is your first name?
My first name's George. You're talking to George here.
Just a moment. I know, I can see here. So, just a moment. I will put the new here on my updating profile.
Profile? Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you confirm me how much you pay your last monthly bill, sir?
For which one?
Sir, can you confirm me?
For which one? The TV or the dish? Which one?
So your cable bill.
The which one? You broke up there. Hang on a second. I'm getting into a better position.
Sir, I say, can you confirm me how much you pay your last monthly bill, sir?
Monthly bill for which? The TV or the dish?
Yes, your dish.
Oh, the dish was 132.
132.
132.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Sir, can you specification?
Why are you breaking up so bad? Hang on a second. You're breaking up bad. Hang on. Are you there? Okay, I'm in a better place.
Yes, sir, right there.
I don't know what's going on. All right. So I told you what I paid. Now what about it? You said I don't know which one you're from. Are you from Dish or are you from Vizio? Which one are you from?
I'm calling you from Vizio Cable, sir. Are you there?
Oh, I didn't know Vizio had cable, but that's fine. Okay, so What's the call about, basically? What's going on here?
Sir, I got all details from your side right now. I am transferred this call to my senior supervisor. He will assist you better than me, okay? Just stay on the line 5 seconds.
All right. You put the phone down.
Hello, can you hear me?
I hear you.
Hi, sir. This is Sam Ramsey, the supervisor from your Vizio cable TV services. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. So, okay, I guess I was confused with Sam. He said, I don't know so you're from Vizio, and I also have Dish, I told him. So, what is the nature of the call? That's what I need to know. Why are you guys,
Yeah.
why are you guys calling?
Sir, I can see here that you have two TVs. The first one is from Dish, and the second one is from Vizio. Am I right?
They're both from Vizio, but I have Dish. I have a Dish, and I have two Vizio's TVs.
Okay. So, what cable TV services do you have? Because I can see here from my system you have the Vizio cable TV services. Am I right?
You see that I have what? That I have?
You have Vizio cable TV services.
You know what? This is where you guys are so fucked up. Vizio makes TVs, not cable TV. So how long have you been a fucktard scammer? Hey, last time I had sex with your mom, she stole my boxer shorts. Can you tell your mom to give me my boxer shorts back, please? Did you get that? He got it.